Welcome to this video on how to protect your laptop from power surges. A power surge is an invisible threat that can destroy delicate laptop circuits in a fraction of a second. You need point-of-use surge protection to prevent this damage. A power surge is a sudden voltage spike, pushing normal voltage, which is around 230 volts, to 600 volts or more. Surges can be caused by lightning strikes or heavy electrical loads. Small, repeated surges can also degrade laptop motherboards over time. Beware of the standard PowerStrip trap. A standard PowerStrip is merely an extension cord that provides zero surge protection. The excess voltage simply passes directly into your laptop, leaving it vulnerable. The proper solution is a surge protection device, or SPD. An SPD protects your equipment by absorbing excess energy. It uses metal oxide varistors, or MOVs, to detect excessive voltage and redirect the surge away from your laptop. To identify a real protector, check the packaging. A surge protector lists specific technical specifications like surge suppression, Joule rating, and clamping voltage. A standard PowerStrip lists none of these. The Joule rating measures energy absorption. A higher rating means better protection. Laptops require a minimum of 1,000 joules. Remember that MOVs degrade over time as they absorb surges. Clamping voltage is the trigger point for when the protector starts working. A lower clamping voltage provides better protection. For instance, a 330 volts rating stops the surge earlier than a 500 volts rating. Proper grounding is crucial. Surge protectors need an earth ground wire for MOVs to divert dangerous voltage. A 2-pin socket breaks this system. Without proper grounding, the surge energy will enter your laptop. You can add more protection layers beyond point-of-use protectors. An uninterruptible power supply UPS provides battery backup during outages. Whole house surge protectors defend the main electrical panel. Surge protectors expire as they lose their ability to absorb energy. Replace the unit if the protection light turns off, if you smell burning plastic, or every 3 to 5 years as a preventative measure. To ensure ultimate laptop safety, follow these 3 steps. Buy a true surge protection device. Verify it has over 1,000 joules and low clamping voltage, and plug it into a properly grounded 3-pin wall socket.